I know you've heard many people say, just say these 3 words and you'll manifest everything. But trust me, this video will be different. Pay close attention, because you're about to learn how one girl named Jennifer used these 3 words to achieve remarkable success in all aspects of her life, even winning the lottery along the way. By the end, you'll understand what these words are, why they work, and how to use them effectively in your own life. Before we dive in, I'd love for you to take a moment to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. If you're ready to align with the universe, drop a comment below saying, I am open to new possibilities. Let's kick off this transformative adventure together. So the big question is, how effective can it be to simply repeat the words to the universe? Due to the profound origin of this technique, it is rooted in the ancient traditions of spirituality. It has been used in many practices across history, including the mantras in Hinduism and Buddhists, and the affirmations of today's self-help gurus. The basic concept is simple. The cases are that the kind of words we speak to ourselves and the outside world can actually influence that reality. Take mantras, for example. It is considered to have been employed as a tool for nearing the gods, as well as a method of achieving serenity and favorable results. In these traditions, it is considered that when you repeat some sort of words or phrases, your consciousness gradually changes, and you become spiritually as well as materially advanced. Likewise, in other aspects of spiritual-related activities like prayer and invocation, chanting can enhance one's faith and bring or create the particular shifts someone would desire in their life. Well, why does information repetition draw the line? It's about installing the right code into one's subconscious system. The subconscious mind is always open and easily influenced by the words and thoughts that we constantly take in. If some ideas are repeated many times, then the seeds of this intention will grow into rock-solid beliefs. They then determine people's behavior and the kind of routines they develop, which in turn shape the world they live in. Quite helpful for eradicating negative thoughts towards oneself, and self-depreciation is repetition. The result of intentionally uttering words that express what you would like to be and putting it into practice for a while will direct you to really believe it. It then directs your behavior and brings into your life responses that correspond to what you have been proclaiming. Yes, it is slow, but it is worth it, because at the end of the day, it will change someone's life. Let's dive into Jennifer's story that will illustrate all these principles in action. Jennifer was a dedicated and hardworking individual, balancing a demanding job, personal responsibilities, and dreams that always seemed just out of reach. Despite her best efforts, she felt stuck, as if nothing she tried was bringing her closer to her goals. One evening, feeling particularly down, she came across Neville Goddard's lecture, The Power of Awareness. Captivated by his ideas, Jennifer decided to delve deeper and stumbled upon the transformative power of 3 simple words. These words would go on to change her life. Let's explore what these words were, how Jennifer applied them, and the impact they had on her journey. The first word that Jennifer introduced into her daily routine was, I am. The reason for such a choice is quite obvious. This word is effective since it is a declaration. Neville Goddard said that the words most powerful words that we utter are the I am words, since they depict who we are and what the world is to us. The first thing Jennifer did was say things like, I am successful, I am confident, and I am abundant, all through the day. And at night, she would say the same things repeatedly to her subconscious mind. In the beginning, it was somewhat embarrassing and near impossible for Jennifer to comprehend and accept. She had always had low self-esteem. She never believed she was capable of doing anything or that she had any value. But she continued, and she knew that in sales, you must practice it a number of times. In the long run, she realized a gradual change in the kind of thoughts that entered her head. She depended on the statements she was affirming, and thus, she started to believe in them. This newfound belief therefore helped her to act this way. She became more confident at the workplace, engaged in tasks that used to scare her off, and began to notice possibilities that she used to ignore. The impact was profound. Jennifer's self-perception transformed. She changed her posture. She walked and sat differently, confidently so. It was not long before the people around her noticed this change in their attitude and behavior of hers. They began to see her as their superior, and before she knew it, she was being considered for a position as a manager. This positive psychology began through making "I am" statements that led to a series of positive changes that she wanted. The second word Jennifer adopted was "thank you." This is a positive word to declare in the practice of manifestation. When Jennifer said thank you, she reminded herself of what she already had, and that attracted similar items and situations into her life. She also took it upon herself to wake up in the morning and go to bed with words of appreciation, positive affirming that thank you for all that we have, all the blessings around. It shows that she is thankful for life and its complexities, and does not take life's blessings for granted, as she thanks life for her health, her job, her relations, and the challenges that life gives us, as the challenges are a way of improvement. Thus, for example, Jennifer made it a practice to write at least 3 things she was grateful for in a particular day in a journal. This practice changed her perception from what she did not have to being grateful for what she had. She started being aware of more things to be thankful for in life, and her general attitude toward life began to change. The results of this practice were incredible and easily explicable. Jennifer's interpersonal relationships enhanced since she developed consideration to people in her life. Her stress levels were reduced because she shifted from thinking about what was wrong to embracing that which was right. This shift in energy initiated a sort of chain reaction, drawing into its sphere additional bibliography, positivity, and beneficial chances. Jennifer is happy that she has many friends, teachers, and co-workers who encouraged her to go even further in her career. That is, she had felt heartened by the words, "thank you," and was waiting for more. The last word Jennifer said was, "I have." This phrase played a role of affirming its subject that Jennifer already had it all as far as her ambitions were concerned. It would be replaced with the desire to make things appear in her life by consciously claiming that they had already been acquired. These statements gave her financial security, a good job, and affection. I have financial abundance. I have a fulfilling career. I have loving relationships. Instead of worrying about not achieving their desires, Jennifer focused on them as if she already had them. She pictured herself in the lovely house of her choice, in her perfect occupation, and associate with affectionate akin folks and friends. Aside from the fact that this practice motivated her, this also made her feel much more relaxed, knowing that what she has desired was already ordered. The specific change in labeling due to saying "I have" was profound. Essentially, what was happening to Jennifer was that she was managing her thought process from scarcity to abundance approach. She ceased feeling vulnerable or panicky over her goals in the manner of a pregnant lady desperate for delivery. But, at the same time, her only concern was the fact that she was calm and eased, knowing that she is on the right track. This new level of security made her to be ready to chase her dreams without worrying about failure. She took education, professional connections, and hobbies seriously, and did not let herself be lazy. Jennifer's journey highlights just how powerful words and repetition can be. By consistently affirming phrases like "I am," "thank you," and "I have," she was able to change her reality and bring her deepest desires to life. These simple words, when spoken with intention and belief, can unlock your potential and help you create the life you've always imagined. Now that you've heard Jennifer's story and seen the transformative power of these 3 words, you might be wondering how you can apply these principles to your own life. The process is simple, yet incredibly powerful. Let's break down how you can start using "I am," "thank you," and "I have" in your daily routine to manifest your desires. The words "I am" carry immense power because they declare who you are and what you stand for. When you use "I am" affirmations, you're claiming an identity that aligns with your deepest desires. To incorporate "I am" into your daily life, Start your day by standing in front of a mirror and looking yourself in the eyes. This simple act helps you connect more deeply with your affirmations. Begin with statements like, I am confident, I am successful, or I am worthy of love, focusing on qualities you want to embody. Say these affirmations out loud with conviction and belief. The more emotion and intention you put behind these words, the more impactful they become. Throughout the day, whenever you notice negative thoughts creeping in or start to doubt yourself, quickly replace those thoughts with I am affirmations. For instance, if you begin to feel anxious about an upcoming presentation, remind yourself, I am calm and capable. This practice helps reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforces positive beliefs, making it easier to maintain a confident mindset throughout your day. Gratitude is a fundamental aspect of manifestation, as expressing thankfulness acknowledges the abundance already present in your life, which in turn attracts even more positive experiences. To practice gratitude effectively, consider keeping a gratitude journal where you write down at least 3 things you are grateful for each day. These can range from simple pleasures, like enjoying a warm cup of coffee in the morning, to significant achievements, such as receiving a promotion at work. The key is to focus on the positive aspects of your life and cultivate an attitude of appreciation. Additionally, make it a habit to say thank you throughout your day, whether you're expressing gratitude to the universe, your higher self, or the people around you. For instance, when you receive good news, say thank you with genuine appreciation. This practice not only shifts your focus from lack to abundance, but also raises your vibrational energy. Finally, before going to bed, take a few moments to reflect on your day and express gratitude for everything that went well. This evening reflection helps you end your day on a positive note and reinforces the habit of looking for things to be grateful for. The phrase, I have, is powerful because it reinforces the belief that you already possess what you desire, shifting your mindset from one of wanting and lack to one of having and abundance. To effectively use I have affirmations, start by spending a few minutes each day visualizing your desires as if they are already fulfilled. Close your eyes and create a vivid mental image of living your dream life, imagining the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with achieving your goals. While visualizing, use I have statements to reinforce this reality, such as, I have a fulfilling career, I have financial abundance, or I have loving relationships. Additionally, write down your I have affirmations and place them where you can see them throughout the day, like on your mirror, computer, or refrigerator. Regularly reading these affirmations helps keep your mind focused on the reality you wish to create. When saying I have affirmations, it's crucial to feel the emotions associated with already having your desires. Experience the joy, gratitude, and satisfaction as if your dreams are already part of your reality. This emotional connection strengthens the impact of your affirmations and helps manifest your desires more quickly. Let's quickly recap Jennifer's journey. She transformed her life using 3 powerful phrases. I am, to build her confidence. Thank you, to cultivate gratitude and abundance. And I have, to affirm that her desires were already fulfilled. These affirmations helped her manifest her dreams and create the life she envisioned. Thank you for watching. We hope Jennifer's story has inspired you to harness the power of words to create the life you desire. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on manifestation and personal growth. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.